So we start off today's video with this gorgeous pixie haircut. This one features an undercut style, mushroom shape, as well as a beautiful ash blonde color. I love the amount of fullness that this has. Such a chic, modern haircut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of haircut ideas, hairstyles, transformations, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you are looking for a new way to shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So then we move into a big chop transformation. Look at all that hair the stylist is cutting. So it looks like the stylist did a beautiful pixie cut for this one. It has a gorgeous asymmetrical shape. Nice feathered bangs. Beautifully done. So then we see someone with long hair. Looks like she had some tape-in extensions. The stylist removes them and colors her natural hair. There is the before. And there is the after. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. He did mix in some more hair extensions as well. Loving the face framing highlights. Absolutely stunning. And then we see a beautiful mini bob haircut style. Followed by this red pixie haircut. Such a bold, daring color. And then we have someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like she's going to be getting the hair cut into a bob. Beautiful bangs in the front. Nice tousled hair in the back. This is definitely giving like French girl style vibes. Another very hot hair trend for 2023. And then we see this beautiful red pixie. This one does feature bangs as well. Followed by another hair transformation. So she has blonde hair that ends just around the shoulders. I really like this stylist style. So it looks like she wants to go with the copper hair color trend. So the stylist adds the color. Oh wow, I love the choppy layers that he did with this. The baby bangs in the front. And the color looks amazing. Absolutely stunning. Beautifully done. And then we have the cutting of a bob. Followed by this gorgeous pixie hair transformation. Absolutely love the texture within this cut. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.